Hello, my wonderful students. So today, super quick and easy, I'm going to show you how to use your Notes app on your iPhone to scan your homework, turn it into a document, like a PDF document, and then be able to attach that to an email to send to your teacher. Super quick, super easy, and start earning your weekly credits. So first thing is first, step number 1, go ahead and open up your Notes app. It's going to take you to your folders page. Now, I already have a folder made for my homework section here. You don't have to have one. It's just easier to organize yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that folder. And at the bottom right-hand corner, there's like a little pad with a pen on there. You're going to compose a new note. Once that opens up, you see your keyboard. And right on top of your keyboard, there's another toolbar there. You're going to hit the camera icon. That's going to give you a list of options. You're going to hit scan documents, and then your camera is going to open up. Now, you always want to make sure that the first picture you take is of your credit cover. This way, your teacher can also make sure that they're verifying what class, what credit number, and what section of the credit that you're turning in. So I'm going to first go ahead and position my credit and my camera right there in the center and take a picture. It'll already crop it for me, and then I'm going to hit keep scan at the bottom right hand corner. There it is. Now it's ready for my next scan. I'm going to flip my page and go ahead and do the same for this next page. Keep scan. Now, in your credits, you might run across some pages that have, for example, are just a glossary or are just text for you to read. If it's nothing that you are not putting in any vital notes that you want to make sure your teacher sees or annotations, then you could go ahead and just skip this one. Your app will only allow you to scan up to 24 pages before you have to make a new document. So we'll go ahead and skip this one. This again is just showing me the lesson, so there's nothing here that I really need to do as a student, so I'm going to go ahead and skip that one. But a page like this, for example, you know, there is something I need to produce here, some writing, so I'm going to go ahead and oh, that one did it automatically for me, so it's ready for my next scan. Something like this, don't really need to put in there, and so on and so on. So anywhere where the student, where you have to make sure that you're writing in a response or you're annotating or it's something that you want to make sure that your teacher sees, you're going to go ahead and take a picture of that so that we could turn it into a document. Now, once we're done, we're going to hit save towards the bottom right hand corner. And it's going to take you to this page. You don't need to add any more text. You don't need to add anything else. We'll go ahead and at that top toolbar, you're going to hit the icon that looks like has a little arrow pointing up. And then we're going to hit mail. And then you're going to email it to your teacher. So in this case, if you are my student, for example, you would email it to me. And on that subject line, we're going to put 21st Century Literacy B Credit 2. And then you hit send. And that is how you're going to send your credits over to your teacher. Nice, easy, quick. Obviously, your performance task, if you're doing that on Google Slides, if you're doing it on Google Docs, you go ahead and just send that separately to your teacher. But if not, that is basically how you send over a credit.